Hello dear students of KG2, good morning. So KG2, today you have to take your big book of English, okay, where it is written Senior KG Literacy Skills, okay. So take out your big book of English. Here in the book you need to take out page number 7, see, page number 7 in the book. In the book, here are some pictures, and what we are going to do, we are going to name the pictures, okay, and we are going to understand the sound that word starts with, okay, like arrow, lamp, moon, hut. Are you getting it? How am I reading all the words? How am I telling all the words? Now next, goat, dolphin, envelope, jug, candle, flame, key, iron, iron, balloon. Okay, so have you got that? What did I do? I have just taken out the sound of each letter and I have taken out the name of the pictures. Okay, again I am doing it. Arrow, lamp, moon, hut, goat, iron, flame, balloon, candle, key, envelope, dolphin, jug. Okay. Now come to the next page, that is page number 8. Now we are at page number 8. Page number 8. On page number 8, what we have to do? The question is, look at the picture, say the letter and the object. For example, N for needle. Okay, so as we did in the previous page, the same we are going to do here also. Okay, so let us start. Pen, rocket, volcano, tortoise, Xmas tree, queen, needle, zigzag, saw, one, underwear. Okay, one more time. Pen, rocket. X, Xmas tree. Qu, queen. V or O. One. Volcano. Whistle. Whistle. Saw. Saw. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Tortoise. Tortoise. Zigzag. Zigzag. Needle. Needle. Okay, students, so how did you see that how madam has practiced all the first letter of the words? Likewise, you also have to practice. Okay, now come to the next page, that is page number 9. Now see here, this is page number 9, this is page number 9. We are at page number 9 and what we have to do? You just have to trace the letters. See what is written? First trace the letter and then write it. First you have to trace the letter and then you have to write it. So what I am going to do? I am going to trace all the letters and I am going to tell you how you have to write these letters. Okay. So for writing A, what you should do? See, whenever you write, your pencil must be sharpened. जब भी आप लिखते हैं, आपकी पेंसिल शार्पन होनी चाहिए. और अगर आपकी पेंसिल शार्पन नहीं है, तो उसे शार्पन करना चाहिए. Okay. So I think my pencil is enough sharpened. So I am not going to sharpen it now. So for writing A, all the capital letters are written in the first 3 lines. Okay. And for writing A, and all the small letters are written either in 3 lines or sometimes 3 lines and mostly 2 lines. Okay. So letter A is written as from the top, slanting line down, stop here. Slanting line down, stop here, and a middle sleeping line. This is letter A in capital and the small letter A is like a curve, a left curve, go up, come down and a little curve. So here it was A, I am writing it. See here, slanting line down, slanting line down, a middle sleeping line, capital A, and this is small a left curve, go up, come down and a little curve. Now this is letter B. How you have to write letter B? A standing line with 2 right curves. Curve, curve. This is capital letter B and this one is small letter B with a standing line and a curve. Standing line, 2 curves. Here for small letter, standing line, 1 curve. This was letter B and students, you need to write it carefully in your book. Now C. C for cake. C. C is written in the whole 3 line and it is a big left curve. See? This is letter C. A big left curve. And small letter C is a small left curve in the middle 2 lines. capital C, small c. Now D for drum. One standing line and a big right curve. Here a left curve like C and a standing line up, down and a little curve. Standing line, a big right curve. For small letter D, a left curve like C, go up, come down, a little curve and leave. Okay, now E for elephant. Standing line and 3 sleeping line. 1, 2, 3. E for elephant. Next is small letter E. Here in these two lines, in the middle of these two middle line, a little sleeping line here, and from here left curve. This is called small letter E. Standing line, see, if you make a mistake, you should erase it. Okay? Standing line, 3 sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3. And for small letter E, we have to put a small sleeping line in the middle of two middle lines and a left curve. And that too slowly. Your handwriting must be perfect. Now here it is. Next letter is F. F for fox. A standing line with 2 sleeping lines. 1, 2. F. F says fur. And for small f, we need to start from here. Bend with a little curve towards the left side. Come down and a sleeping line. One more time, see. Bend towards the left. Come standing down and a sleeping line. Capital F, small f. A standing line, 2 sleeping lines. Here, start from here, a little curve with a standing line down and little sleeping line here. Okay, so this was letter A to F. This was letter A to F. So students, that was the classwork that you need to do in the book. Now I am going to give you the homework to write A to F. Okay, so this will be your homework. HW, and in HW what you need to write? You need to write A with small letter and capital letter both. A to F, small and capital both. So students, why am I giving you this practice? Do you know? Ma'am, क्यों आपको ये practice दे रही है? इसलिए दे रही है because I want your handwriting to be perfect. Recently, I have seen your work in 3-lettered work. Okay, you have written ram, man, cat, mat, bat, hat. all those words were correct, but your handwriting was not that good. So I want you to write perfect letters. Okay, that's why madam is giving you the practice. So again, for writing A, slanting down, more slanting line, a sleeping line in the middle, small letter a left curve, go up, come down, a little curve. Then B, standing line, two big curves like this, half curve, not big. Small letter B, C, a big left curve. See, madam is writing carefully and slowly. You also have to write carefully and slowly. Okay, and whenever you are writing, your second hand must be supporting your फर्स्ट हैंड. आपका लेफ्ट हैंड हमेशा राइट हैंड के सपोर्ट में होना चाहिए. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू अ गुड होल्ड. It gives you a good hold. Now see here how my left hand is supporting my right hand. Okay, so I have written C here, but I think I have made a little mistake. Let me see. I should erase it. Because my left hand was not supporting my right hand, that's why I make a mistake. So now I will not make any mistake. Now see, I will put my fingers wherever I have to write. It's a big left curve. C. Likewise, small c. Now letter D will be as standing line with a big right curve. Small letter D is a left curve like a C. Go up standing, come down, a little curve. D. Now letter E. Standing line and 3 sleeping lines. Here a little sleeping line and a left curve like C. This is letter E, and this one is letter F. Standing line with 2 sleeping lines, and here for small letter F a little curve with a standing line and a sleeping line in the middle. So this was letter A to F practice. This you have to do in the notebook, and that too you have to do it 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Like I have done it 1 time. मैम ने अभी 1 टाइम किया, आपको 1 टाइम नहीं 1, 2 and 3 times प्रैक्टिस करना है. एंड दैट टू योर लेटर मस्ट बी परफेक्ट. आपका लेटर परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. ओके, सो KG2, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.